The market theme Nifty buyers need to remain cautious as the benchmark appears vulnerable at current levels, with volatility indicators signaling elevated market risk. Our call of the day: to put it straight, there is lots of uncertainty. Headlines include: 1. WTI crude futures surged more than 8% above $94 per barrel, while Brent crude climbed past $97 as fresh Middle East tensions reignited supply concerns. 2. Iranian media reported that Tehran has suspended communications with Washington and is moving towards a full closure of the Strait of Hormuz. 3. Inflation concerns are back on the front pages as rising crude threatens to fuel price pressures. 4. The yield on the US 10-year Treasury note have climbed to 4.5%. 5. A slightly below normal monsoon forecast could weigh on rural sentiment and food inflation. 6. FIIs dumped a massive 55,964 crore rupees in May, highlighting persistent risk aversion. Hush. Bottom line, the bears are likely to be everywhere on Dalal Street as fragile sentiment continues to dominate market mood. Market trends. The global cues are negative. In yesterday's bearish session, FIIs sold to the tune of Rs 3912 crores while DIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 5109 crores. Sentiments are likely to be precarious for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals suggest massive breakdown. F&O June month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 and 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering near 16.54 levels. At last check, USD INR, June, had slipped near 95.14 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th June, is at 1.09 levels. Bank Nifty PCR is at 0.86. FIN Nifty PCR is at 1.08. Mid-cap Nifty is at 1.25. Nifty outlook: the sinking feeling persists, with volatility likely to be the hallmark of the day. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 23,383. Biggest make or break support for Nifty is now placed at 23,262 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at the 23,701 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,150 and 23,500. Bias for the day is negative. Sensex, CMP 74,267. Biggest make-break support is placed only at 73,700 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 75,000 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 73,000 to 74,500. Bias for the day is negative. Bank Nifty, CMP 53,643. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 52,783 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 54,500 mark on closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 52,000 and 54,000. Bias for the day is negative. Stock market news. In yesterday's trade, Nifty slipped for a fourth consecutive session. Investors remained cautious ahead of 1. The start of India's trade talks aimed at finalizing an interim trade pact. 2. RBI policy decision this Friday, 5th June. 3. Q1 GDP data this Friday, 5th June. The RBI policy on 5th June will be the key domestic trigger, with investors closely watching the central bank's stance on inflation, crude oil, liquidity, and the rupee. Rate-sensitive sectors witnessed massive selling pressure in yesterday's trade, particularly realty, banking, and auto stocks. While rates are expected to remain unchanged, the RBI policy commentary will be crucial. Globally, focus will be on U.S. non-farm payrolls and jobless claims data to be wired on 5th June, which could shape Fed rate expectations and influence bond yields, the dollar index, and FII flows. Stocks in spotlight. Stocks closed in green. 1. NMDC Steel surged 4.98% after reporting a strong earnings turnaround, posting a Q4 FY26 net profit of 391.91 crore rupees against a loss of 473.39 crore rupees in the year-ago quarter, aided by higher sales. 2. Zee Entertainment Enterprises, ZEL, advanced 2.88% after securing exclusive broadcasting rights for 39 FIFA events in India through 2034, including the FIFA World Cup 2026, FIFA World Cup 2030, and FIFA Women's World Cup 2027. Stocks closed in red. 1. VST Tillers Tractors slipped 0.94% despite reporting a 28.28% YoY rise in total sales to 4,472 units in May 2026. 2. IREDA tumbled 5.24% after reporting a 1.8% YoY decline in Q4 FY26 net profit to 492.75 crore rupees, despite a 14.22% increase in revenue to 2,174.95 crore rupees.